Welcome to this very special mixed media collaboration with Marie-Louise of Marie-Louise Art, myself, and Taz of Tazlima Maya Art. If you're a longtime follower of mine, you will recognize this piece as a botanical piece that I did a while ago. And if you missed that video, I will put the link both above as well as in the description below. So as you can see, I drew some fish on here, and my plan is to use this Wurth joint compound just as it is and start making my fish. My intent when making these fish is to try and make the body of the fish look a little bit more 3D. So I'm trying to build up the center parts of the fish and then have it fade down to the sides. Again, in that just attempt to make them look a little bit more rounded. Also, what you don't see is that I do have some water off to the side, and I just dip my brush into that to just kind of soften the joint compound out where I need to. back to the last step, and I have TriArt liquid glass. I've never used it before, so I thought this might be the perfect time. So this is what it looks like after I put 2 coats of varnish on this piece. I'm trying to pick it up. So you can see definitely the highlights of the seaweed where I put the varnish. But in the end, I decided it's not enough. So what am I gonna do? Broken out my trusty glue gun. Here's the final piece. What do you guys think? I really like it. So before I said I didn't like the varnish on its own, and I thought I would add the glue to it, and it certainly gave it a lot more dimension and obviously texture. I think it worked really, really well. I think that it helps to balance out this painting, having the seaweed, certain seaweed strands textured and highlighted with that varnish. But all in all, I'm super happy with this piece. There's a lot of sparkle, a lot of bling. There's parts that aren't sparkly or blingy, and it all just works, except for hanging this painting up. Now, I have a big question for everyone. I did put the glue on the edge here, everywhere that the seaweed came off the canvas, so that if in the future I decide I want to fill those portions with resin, it'll stay in there. So what are your thoughts? What would you do? Would you fill these areas with resin or leave it the way it is? Let me know in the comments below what you would do. Anyway, thank you as always for being here. I so appreciate each and every one of you. And now I want to say a huge thank you to Taz of Taz Lima Maya Art for joining us this week on this mixed media summer collab. So she's up next. Let's head over to her channel and see what she has cooked up for us. Again, thanks so much for being here. Bye for now.